Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to simplify the fraction 27/90ths to its lowest terms. Let's look at the fraction 27/90ths. To simplify it, we'll divide both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor. The greatest common factor, or GCF, is the largest number that can evenly divide both the numerator and the denominator of a fraction without leaving a remainder. For 27 and 90, that's 9. We start by dividing 27 by 9, which gives us 3. Then we divide 90 by 9, which results in 10. So, simplifying 27/90ths, we end up with 3/10, which is the fraction in its simplest form and cannot be reduced any further. It's interesting to note that both the original fraction 27/90ths and the simplified fraction 3/10, though different in appearance, represent a specific value when compared as decimals. The exact decimal for 3/10 is 0.3. This shows that although their appearance may change, their value remains consistent. So, there you have it. The fraction 27/90ths simplified to its simplest form is 3/10, and in decimal form, it's 0.3. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.